we would like to give a special thanks to Nia Ballerina for providing us with these products. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Nia Ballerina for ages 3 and up. Nia is from the UK, and she is ready to dance her way into our hearts. On the back of the box, it says, "Explore the magical world of ballet with Nia Ballerina." Nia Ballerina is a vibrant, energetic, and adventurous little girl who's always dressed in pink and loves ballet more than anything in the world. Nia Ballerina attends the Pirouette School of Ballet every Saturday, which she looks forward to especially when she gets to walk past the toy shop. One day, Nia Ballerina spots a colorful music box in the shop window. Ah, it's like a little story. Okay, where were we? Oh yeah, right there. She spots a colorful music box in the shop window with a beautiful twirling ballerina inside playing a delightful melody. Nia Ballerina is immediately mesmerized by the music box and cannot stop thinking about it. But what Nia Ballerina doesn't know is that this is no ordinary music box. Join Nia Ballerina in her adventures coming soon. Wow, so there is going to be a book. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, she has rooted hair that is pulled up into a high ponytail. Her hair is curly and there's a cute little accessory. She has 2 twists that hang in the front. She has painted eyes with a cute little beauty mark. She has a full vinyl body with the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulders, and hip. She wears a pink and white ballet outfit that is all one piece. It velcros in the back and says Nia Ballerina on front. She has a pink glitter tutu that ties in the back and pink plastic ballet shoes. This doll has a US retail price of $24. She is 12.5 inches tall, and she can fit the ballet bar that we made in our doll ballet studio video, because she is just a little taller than your average fashion doll. Yeah, we're about the same size. Here she is next to a Disney Animators Collection doll, a Welly Wisher, and an American Girl. And remember that mesmerizing jewelry box? Well, those are available too. The Reflection music box, which has a picture of Nia practicing her ballet. On the inside, there is a ballerina in front of a mirror, and if you wind the back, she dances to the melody. Look at this little ballerina doll! Can I have it? No, Sophie, it has to stay inside the box. Aw, man! The other music box has a picture of Nia sitting at her dressing table. There is a dancing ballerina inside of this one as well, and a drawer underneath. There is also a book bag so you can take Nia Ballerina wherever you go. Even the book bag has a tutu. Nia Ballerina can be found online at niaballerina.com. My favorite part about Nia Ballerina is that it was created by a mom who was inspired by her own daughter and her love for ballet. Aww, moms are awesome. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Nia Ballerina. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
We wanna go night and day. I see you standing in the corner.